What are we reviewing today?
Today we do something a little bit different from usual.
Okay.
Which is this. Take it.
I've seen this brand everywhere. I think it's a very popular niche of products. I see a lot of people, especially in our office as well. Being in a country like Malaysia, it's super hot, humid all the time. So a lot of people do walk around with these fans, and I guess this is the world's #1. So we'll see. Ooh, I like the vibe. I like the vibe. It does have like a power bank sort of vibe. A lot smaller than I thought, which is good.
Yep.
I don't like bulky stuff. Okay, so there we have the fan itself. But before we get into it, I think I should just go through the accessories, right? Let's open this up. Let's look at the accessories box. Oh, it's just the carry pouch. Not bad, not bad. And then a second box of accessories right over here. Ooh. Interested to know what that is, but we'll find out in a second. Let me open this first. Wow, they even have the thing to go between type A to C. And what else do we have inside? We'll put this aside. We've got, what's that? What's that?
I've opened and see. Oh, I know. I also don't know, man.
Hey, you're supposed to know everything, okay? Oh, it's to clean it. Look at that. Got dirty. Oh no, let me just wipe off my world's #1 fan. It's a horrible joke. And we still have something else. That I'm assuming is the lanyard style thing. There you go. It's like a keychain / lanyard thing. All right, so that's the accessories out of the way. There's some attachments now. Wei Sang, what are these? Do you know?
Yes, this is an attachment for cleaning like your keyboard, your daily thing. Yes.
Whoa. Okay, so there's 3 different attachment types.
Yes.
With different nozzles. So do we know what each of these are for?
No, we don't know. Didn't mention. I know.
So this is it, the JisuLife Fan Ultra 2. And all right, so let's try powering it on. So right here, you have the power button. On the right side, we have a on-off sort of switch. And then you have the torchlight button here. There's also the dial, like I said. So if we tap this once, nothing happens, but double tap will show you the battery that's left in there. So you've got that display right here, so that's 35%. So if I toggle this on, so allowing it to turn on, and then I press down on the power button once, it should activate the fan, and it has. You can actually see the power percentage right over there. I'm assuming that's 1, level 1, level 9, level 41, level 54, level 94, level 100. Whoa, that is strong. That's pretty cool. If I tap on this side now, that's the torchlight button. One tap will turn the light on. And this thing is pretty bright actually. So just looking at the brightness level, if I hold it, because there's a shadow on this side of my face. So take a look, that's at level 1, that's level 2, that's level 3, and then you've got the flashing. In case of emergency, help me, I have a fan.
SOS mode.
SOS. And then tap once more to turn it off. All right, so now let's try charging up my phone, which I have right over here, using the JisuLife fan. This is a very weird thing, by the way. I'm charging my phone using my fan. Pretty crazy, right? Especially, I think for like concerts and stuff, it's pretty good because you'd have the fan anyway, and then you're filming, your battery's dying, connect your fan to your... Pretty crazy.
True.
I like it, I like it. All right, so cool thing. You can use this cable obviously for the fan itself, but you can also use it to charge your phone or connect your phone because it's got the Type A and C attachment, like I said, built in. Like more phone brands should do this. Please, phone brands, do this. All right, and boom, there you go, charging, easy. I wonder what the speed of the charging is.
The charging is 18 watt fast charging.
18 watt fast charging.
Yes.
Not bad at all. Not bad. So Wei Sang just told me that it has something called what?
Anti-pitch design.
Pinch.
Pinch.
Okay, so it's got an
Anti-pinch.
anti-pinch design, which stops it from sucking my hair.
Prevent to getting your head get stuck inside.
Ah, okay. Because of the way a fan works, there's an air intake and an outtake. So I'm assuming the intake is where your hair would get sucked in.
Yes.
Let's try it out. I hope it doesn't get
Scary,
sucked. I'm a bit scared. Okay, but let's give it a shot. Suck it. This sounds weird. Stop it! No! Nope, nothing at all. Let's try inflating let's try these attachments. Alright, so now that we have deflated this almost entirely, that's the entry point right over there. This is what the nozzle is supposed to do. It's supposed to fit it entirely, but this one doesn't. We'll still try it just to see how fast the air actually gets in. Easy. Now let's try out this second attachment that is meant for like your keyboards and getting into nitty-gritty places. I can put this up on max power and there you go. Nice and squeaky clean. All right, the last thing we have left is attaching the lanyard thing. Let's try that out. Let's try. There you go. And then, boom. When I'm at an event, I'm feeling hot. It's a hot day. I don't know where to get went. Wow! I got my JisuLife. All in all, I think this is a pretty cool product. If you're already in the market for like a fan, if you're in an environment where it's really hot, you go outdoors for hiking or concerts, or you're just out a lot, this is great. The materials of this, like the build quality, is very solid. The fact that I've got a built-in power bank for a quick punch of power is amazing. Yeah, I'm sold. I think I like it. Pretty cool. Let's do more blind reviews like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you again in the next video. Until then, take care. All right, so this keyboard belongs to this guy. Sit down. So this is Andrew. He has the nicest keyboard in the office. It's also the dirtiest keyboard in the office.
Hey. I thought you were gonna do it for me.
Do it. For God's sake, clean your freaking keyboard.